Destroyed the moped, dude. We have a 49cc vehicle, doesn't need registration or insurance.
How's it going?
Hello.
When are you gonna stand around and start moving? Or you wanna drive over it?
You think it'll drive over it?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, there it goes. Alright. Is that first gear, dude?
Thing still works mint. Here, maybe? Too much effort to pedal the thing, apparently. Oh, it can't pull the Civic running over the steel. Oh, no. Oh!
Behind me wanting to do this tandem bicycle thing was to secretly force AJ to exercise, and it worked a couple times, but he has outsmarted the and now he's putting something with a motor on.
Destroyed the moped, dude.
Paint on the floor, dude. That's the rig. Nate's gonna be.
Oh.
You finally bought Nate something for the channel, and this is Nate's metaphorical 10K. Just destroyed it.
A $300 moped?
It was $600.
Oh, was it?
Dude, is there a frame under this?
Oh, jeez.
Why did he do that? Why did that bumper not move at all?
Negligence.
Dude, the bumper, he almost flew over the car. We're gonna ride it now, dude. Oh, that off of just like this right here, basically, you know?
Alright, let's place the moped up there and see what she's looking like.
Oh, no. We gotta come on this side of it. Huh?
Oh, just break the exhaust out of the way, no big deal.
All right, AJ, I did my work for the week. Now we have to put it east. And then me. So we weld the kickstand right to this?
Yeah.
More
Put it like in between the two.
Am I on it?
Yeah.
Something like that, dude.
Alright, that's neutral.
Oh, jeez. Does it feel like you're doing a permanent wheelie? Oh, yeah. Dude.
If we made it so this could steer the car, the rear brakes still work on the moped.
Oh, man.
If you just put it in first gear,
Yeah, we need a secondary. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
we
we
need
need
somebody in the car to stop the car, probably.
Oh, my God. Dude, this thing is fast. No.
Put it in reverse. Put it in reverse. Reverse.
Dude, this thing is fast. Oh my God. This is the best one yet. This is the best one we've ever done. This is the best one we've ever done, dude.
Do we go downtown, dude?
I think we could go downtown. It's 49cc. Wait, do the blinkers work and stuff? Try the blinkers. These work. Flick them back and forth. All right, that's right. Left. Yep, perfect. What about the brake lights? Brake lights. Yup, dude, we're mint. We have all the lights we need to be fully legal. We have a 49cc vehicle, doesn't need registration or insurance.
This is the way to get around the gas prices, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Freaking things mint. All right, Kyle's here. He's gonna be our driver for the evening. Well, our
Camera car driver.
driver. AJ's driver. I am
Moped rider?
operator.
Yeah, engine operator.
Because you know what I mean. We did flux core welds this time.
You want to let's take it around a lot real quick.
Yeah.
Put the helmet on. Put the helmet on.
All right, so when you ride motorcycles, because that is a motorcycle, don't let anyone tell you different. No, I got you, moped guys. To be a non-squid, at the very minimum, helmet, long sleeve shirt, pants.
We're doing about 12 miles an hour right now.
I wonder if that's topped out. Maybe that's all she wrote. 12
Hopefully they
miles
make it
per
through the
hour.
light. She's moving way better than the pedal bike.
Are we speeding up, dude?
Yeah, I think we are.
This is
doing
mint,
almost 20
dude.
Almost 20 miles an hour right now.
Dude, I don't know how fast we're going, but this is fast. Throttle, holy dude, way too dude, this is mint.
Dude, we were doing 25. Hi, can I get a McDouble? Okay. Or a double cheeseburger?
Alright, we were going good.
These guys loved it.
On right now. Y'all came through with the bike before?
Yeah. Who else is doing this around here? How's it going? What happened? Yes, sir.
Dude, everybody loves it. Everybody loves our shenanigans.
Look at this thing, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy in the van is filming.
Best McDonald's run of my life, boys. Chicken in hand. Damien got to go for a ride.
Worked pretty good.
That was definitely way better than the bike.
Yeah.
Way
better.
less tiring, at
Like,
least.
they were great. You guys were moving out.
On the way to McDonald's, we were literally doing 25. I was in third.
You were in third?
Yeah.
Dude, I was like turning to McDonald's. I was like, hey.
How's it going?
Hello.
You had someone come talk to you about the bike. You've upgraded. Hi, here I am.
Well, we got pulled over on the street with the bike.
Well, I didn't quite.
We were a
make
little
it.
bit quicker
Yeah,
with
so
this
you
one.
obviously got it.
Yeah, you couldn't catch us with the moped.
Well, thank you guys for being cooperative with me.
Yeah, no problem.
Make everything
This is to be expected. Thank you for being cool.
Nate, give it some throttle first. And let off.
How was it?
It moves pretty good. A lot better than I thought it would.
It was good. It went down the road, and we made a car.
25 miles an hour.
Speed
At
limit,
that.
dude.
Yeah, we were.
It was good.
But we're good. Freaking car's mint. We do have maybe one more thing planned for it. A couple, 5 more things, something like that. We
Yeah,
gotta
you
work
got
out the
us
legality, but
All right, guys, so that's it. All the links are in the description. Facebook, BS Gaming, P.O. Box, Bad Species, Instagram. That's it for this one, boys. Success, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
friggin', you know what I mean? If you guys have cool shit like around the area, maybe far, who knows, dude? Hit us up. You know what I mean? You got side by sides. You got.
You want to
trails.
take the DM?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right, DM
me
Damien.
If you have like some property around here,
Yup.
where you could like rep some.
Where's the dirt bikes,
If you have
quads,
property
side
around
by
here
sides?
somewhere in the Great 48.
DM Damien if
Great
you have
48.
cool stuff.
If you have cool stuff, you know, if you live at Glamis. You know
Yeah,
what I
if
mean?
you want to let AJ destroy your side by side by accident, DM Damien.
Hit us up. Maybe we'll rally out in the RV. We're trying to go on vacation. We've been at the shop for a long time, so let us know if you have a destination for us.
Bye.
See you guys.